Hello, dear children. How are you all? Welcome back to this session. In previous session, we have seen different uses of computer. Today, we will see some other uses of computer. However, we will solve activity 3. So, without a further ado, let's start the video. Dear students, you can also use the computer for the following tasks. So the first task is send and receive messages. Dear students, we know that we can send messages from mobile phone also. But the messages sent by using computer are called as emails. So you can read here, this little girl sitting on a computer is sending an email. And what is email? Email is the message which you sent by using a computer, by using internet. It is called as email. So to whom we send the emails? We send the emails to our relatives, our friends who are sitting far away from us or who are living in other state or in other country. Right? Now, second use of computer is it is used to listen to music. Yes, we all enjoy music, right? So the music can be listened by using a computer. There is a software to play the music. So you can play whatever music you want on the computer. Also, if you have internet connection, then you can listen the music online. So the computer is used to listen music. Remember this point, right? Next one is store a lot of information. Now, when you watch any cartoon movie or when you listen to any song on the computer, that movie is actually stored. What does it mean by stored? It is uh, saved in the computer, right? In the same way you store the information in your brain, right? The computer also store information such as movies and music and other games, etc. It can store a lot of things inside it. So that is why it is superior than human beings, right? So here remember three uses. The computer is used to send and receive messages, or you can say it is used to send and receive emails. The computer is used to listen to the music because we listen music on computer. It can store lot of information such as games, movies, music, documents, your books you can store in the computer, right? So lot of things can be stored in the computer. Remember these three uses. Now let us see activity 3. So here is the activity 3. Here we are going to explore the things, right? A question is, let the teacher play music for you on a computer, listen to the tune and dance along. But dear students, I cannot meet you right now, so you can ask your parent, your father, your mother to play the music on the mobile phone, or if you have laptop or computer, ask your father or mother to play the music, and then you can dance a little bit for 2 minutes or let's say 3 minutes. Now this question here you have to write in the notebook, and if you have the textbook, you write in the textbook also and notebook also. Write two ways to use computers. So here you can write the uses of computer. I have written the first use. The computer is used for listening the music. You can write listening the music. And second way, why we use computers? For playing games, right? You can write here for watching movies also if you want, for watching movies, or you can write for doing calculations. You can write for doing calculations also. It will be okay if you write that. Fine. So we will cover activity 4 and remaining part in the next session. I will post the homework after this video. If you have any query or doubt, feel free to ask me. Thank you very much.